Hey traders, a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So price is now pushing higher, and as you can see, the price did not break below this trend line as mentioned yesterday. And if you are trading here on NEMEX, and I've already mentioned that if you have this candle close as a bullish engulfer, in that case the price will head higher. Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. The same on NEMEX. If you are trading on this platform, nat gas future, and break below this trend line, I start to look for my pullback trades. If this candle closes as a bullish engulfing candle, then yes, we have a likely buy signal. According to this platform, we can get a possible push up till 50 EMA, a little scalp, a break above, and keep on taking longs until the price hit the next level of resistance. Nice one. So I've recently added NEMEX as well because I got so many messages from traders that they are trading on this platform. It's totally up to you if you are trading on this platform. I personally have an account with Oanda for nat gas and other commodities, so I've done all my testing here on Oanda. But I've already mentioned that if you're trading here, then that is an entry, and after the rollover, the price adjusted and it opened above in gap and heading towards a level of resistance, which I've mentioned in my last video in blue. If you want to mark these zones on the charts, you can plot these a zone from where I'm expecting some pullback. So let's go back and continue analysis here first for capital.com. So price is now pushing higher, and as you can see, it's still pushing higher within this trend. It's pushing up slowly but heading higher. So at this point, this is an area I'm expecting a possible push down from, or it can still push up and hit the trend line above right here, which is also within the level of resistance, which I've already mentioned yesterday. In case you missed it, is 3.004 goes up to 3.092, from where we'll be looking to enter another sell trade with conditions like bearish engulfers, double top, 382 candle, something like this. If we have a condition here, we are good to go long. For now, I'm only looking for buy trades. If we have a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, must be above 50 EMA. In that case, I will go long and I'll use 1 ATR for my targets, only taking long trades until the price hit the level above in red. Here on Oanda, exactly the same. I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. We have a new high above after breaking over 50 EMA. Now I'm looking for a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs until I get a condition for sell trades. And the zone here on Oanda, which is right here in red, 2.961 goes up to 3.063, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade. I've already mentioned the zones here on NEMEX. Prices now about to hit this area of value if you're trading on this platform. So in a nutshell, the price is still bullish and still intact with an uptrend, still trading above this trend line 1 and 2 and 3, 4 touches here. Looks like price is pushing up nicely in a trend, and this is a zone I want to see some pullbacks, and then it can head higher towards the next level of resistance, which is possible. So only taking long trades at this point. Next one, we have gold. Has massively pushed down. We had a waterfall of red candles, and I was paying attention for my trades in this area of value, in this rejection box. And remember, when there is no condition, we are not entering the trade. And imagine if you just entered your trade blindly, that would be a lots of stress and a loss. So we need to look for a good conditions like bullish pressure, something like bullish engulfer, means the price action is telling us that I'm going to push higher, but we did not get any condition. Now I'm going to plot my Fibonacci tool to calculate a pullback, and we're going to keep on taking sell trades until the price hit the next level of support, which I'm going to mention in a moment. So from the low of this recent candle to the high of this support, which is recently broken, the support area, in case you missed it, is 1989.31 goes up to 1907.01. Now if we have another red candle after this candle, I will move my Fib tool lower. So until I see a pullback of a green candle, I'll keep on pushing my Fibonacci tool. Once I see a pullback of green candle, I will leave it as it is. So for now, I'm just using this lower candle, something like this, and we can get a possible pullback of 50% retracement right here, 1891.07. That can be your limit order. Let this candle close first and then plot your Fibonacci tool again, and wherever the 50% retracement is on your charts, that is an aggressive entry for aggressive traders. It is not any type of trading advice. This is just for educational purposes, and this is how I take my personal trade, and this is what I'm sharing with you. So it shouldn't be taken as a trading advice. So I'm expecting a pullback till 50% retracement, and then I'm expecting a good push down, and 1.618 retracement will be my targets. And now the next level of support for gold is right here, which is quite lower, 1793.59 goes up to 1813.95. We do not have any support in between, and I'm also not paying attention to any sort of minor support. We do not have any good minor support, so I'm only looking for sell trades with a pullback, either with a 50% retracement or I look for a good pullback of few candles, a retest of the recent zone that has been broken, or a pullback of few candles followed by bearish engulfer, must be below 50 MA. All these sell entry condition. Once I get that, I'm going to take my trades and I'll use one ATR for my target. ATR is a number right up there, and I'll set my stops and target according to that. So that is what I'm looking at for gold. Keep an eye here. Once we have conditions, we are good to go short. Here on silver, and as you can see, silver has hit the level of rejection area. It is right here in blue. Now if we have a candle that closed as a bullish candle, bullish engulfer, we have a buy signal. Now gold is pushing lower, so it is likely silver will also push lower. Now if we have a condition here, we have a chance that silver will give us a bounce that is enough to hit our target, and we get a pullback here in gold. So for silver we have a buy condition. For gold we can take it as a pullback, and that pullback is enough to hit our target, and then we will look for another sell condition if we have that. So I'm not going to hold on with my silver trades if I get a condition. So my buy condition will be next candle as a bullish engulfer, 382 up in bar. If there is no condition, if we have a candle closed below this rejection box, in that case the price will turn completely bearish and likely head towards a next level of support, which I'm going to mention in my next video. So keep an eye here, look for the conditions to take your entries. Last one, we have crude oil. So crude oil also did not give us any sort of condition within this rejection box. Instead, it just broke above. So at this point, the price is still within the level of resistance, and the zone is 93.05 goes up to 95.99, a zone from where I want to see a good conditions like a double top, or if we have a green and a red candle, a bigger candle, in that case we have a bearish engulfing pattern, and that is one of my entry conditions. So if we have that, we are good to go short. So once we have a condition within this area like a double top, bearish engulfer, I'm going to take my long trade. If there is no condition and the prices give you a normal pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, I will again going to take my long trade. I use one ATR for my targets accordingly. So let's take a look at EURUSD. I'm going to go through GBPUSD as well. So price is now broken below this level of support. We were looking for our entry condition, but price has broken below this level. Now I'm expecting some pullback. I want to see a good momentum of red candles below, and then we can get a possible retest of this level, which has been recently broken. Right here, the number in blue, that is your level of resistance. So I will look for a retest followed by bearish engulfer, and I'm keep on taking shots as price is now broken below and still bearish until the price hit the next level of major support, which is below right here in green. 1.0252 goes to 1.0352, a zone from where we can expect some good bounce, as this is a good area of value. If you look back and see, this is the level from where the price has reacted nicely as a level of support, resistance and support multiple times. This is a zone from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. For now, I just want to see a good momentum, a pullback, and keep on taking shots for euro dollar. I'm not looking for any sort of buy trades for this forex pair. GBPUSD is also heading lower, has broken below the minus level of support, and now heading towards a level of major area of value. So this is a zone from where the price has reacted out nicely right here. Just ignore all these back testing, and this is a zone from where the price has pushed up. Price uses level as a level of support and resistance multiple times. So once the price hit this area of value, which is 1.1868, goes up to 1.2046. This is an area from where I look to enter my buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfers, double bottom, or 382 candle. All these my buy conditions. So that's it for commodities and forex. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, hit a like button for me. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.